Hello everyone, welcome back into the Schematic channel. The topic of this video is how to download the Simulink in MATLAB. Now I show you the two methods. You can use that method to be install the Simulink in your computer. So first of all, I tell you, if you want to see how you can claim a trial version of a MATLAB 2025B in 2026, so you can go into the description, and I also into the description there is the link of the video where I show you the complete step of downloading the MATLAB. And now we move toward our topic. Into the first step, I am thinking you can download and install the simple MATLAB, and now you are curious about how you can download the Simulink. That is very easy method. So first of all, you run your MATLAB and go into the apps. Into the apps, you see there is the option of get more apps. Okay, click on it. So add-on explorer window is running right now. So here you see the add-on explorer is loaded and there are the other tools. So now we need to search the Simulink. Okay, Simulink, and press enter. Now this is the Simulink. It's included in your license. Right now I am using a trial license, so that's why it's included in my license, so I can easily download and install directly with the MATLAB. Okay, and this is the MATLAB, simple basic MATLAB, which is installed already in my computer. So now I need to click on this Simulink. And now this Simulink tool page is open, you say, where everything is written about just for this Simulink, their functions, blogs and examples. Now there is the option of sign in to install. So first of all, I need to sign in with the same email and a password which I created the MathWork account on it. So I click on it, I put my email here, click next, put my password here. So if you don't know how you can create a MathWork account, then go into the again description and see the basic downloading, how you can basically download a MATLAB. So in that video I show you the complete step of creating an account on MathWork. Okay, and then click on sign in. Now you see there is the button of install after signing in. So I click on install here. So they are preparing my installation, so we need to wait for a few seconds here. Now here you need to click on next button, accept the license agreement, and now click on this install button. So MATLAB is shut down, and after that they download and install the Simulink and again run. So add-on installer is now again come in front, and here is say that connecting to the MathWork. This may take a few seconds, so we need to wait here for they start to be installing our Simulink. So now they simultaneously download the Simulink and install it. So this is the 1.4 GB file and installation is 4.4 GB. So we need to wait here for 20 to 30 minutes, depend on your internet speed and your PC condition. So then the downloading and installation both simultaneously complete, and after that I show you your Simulink is running condition. Now the Simulink is installed, and now I show you how we can open it. Into the home section, you see this is the Simulink app button. Click on it. Now you see the Simulink start page is opened, and now I open this blank model. So in that way you can download and install the Simulink in a MATLAB. So now I tell you the second method. Now into the second method, when you choose the select a product, so there are the lot of products, so you need to tick mark on the Simulink also after the MATLAB, and then click on the next. So in that way MATLAB basic and Simulink both are installed at the same time. So that's the second method. I hope so you understand. I don't show you the next way because I'm just telling you the way you can also install the Simulink on a MATLAB. So I hope so you like this video and you understand how you can download and install a Simulink in a MATLAB using the two methods. So first method is the most appropriate method and second method is also good, but in the second method your downloading and installation it's take a so much huge time. It's maybe take a 2 to 3 hour depending on your time, because the downloading file size is maybe 4 GB overall and your installation file size may be 8 to 10 GB. So that's why if you partially did it like you just download the MATLAB simple basic MATLAB first time, and after that you install the Simulink in the MATLAB, then it's the easy and step division where you can easily download the basic MATLAB and also the Simulink. So I see you next time with the new topic, and please like and subscribe and share this video with your friend which want to be understand how they can download a Simulink in a MATLAB in 2026. See you next time.